Welcome student. Today we are going to discuss about the homophones. Homo means as it is, same. Okay. So let us continue with this lesson, grammatical lesson, grammar lesson, homophones. Okay. So here we have first the definition of the homophones. Homophones means sound, hearing sound. Homo means same. Homophones are words that sound the same, but are spelled differently and have a different meaning. In order to identify homophones, you have to say the words out aloud. When we say that word, basically that words are rhyming words which are categorized as homophones. Okay, homophones, its sound same, but the spelling of that words are totally different. So here are some examples. Cereal and cereal. It is like a same sound, okay, but the spelling is totally different. Okay, look at the next example, that is blue and blue. This blue means फुंकणे, आपण ज्याला म्हणतो ना फुगवणे, ते ब्ल्यू, किंवा हॉर्नचा आवाज त्याला ब्ल्यू म्हणतो. आणि दुसरा ब्ल्यू आहे तो कलर आहे. ओके, तिसरा बघा, एक आहे 8, दूसरा पण आहे 8. द साउंड इज सेम बट द स्पेलिंग इज टोटली डिफरंट. हा 8 म्हणजे हा नंबरिंग सिस्टम मधला 8, आणि हे 8 म्हणजे खाल्लं. ओके, द पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ ईट. ओके, सो हियर आर these are the some examples of homophones. The homophones is characterized as a same sound but the different spelling having the different meaning. Okay, such homophones are found in our poem, that is called we can call the last word of the poem, that is rhyming words, is generally categorized like homophones. When the last word or unique words are categorized in a rhyming form, then the poem is come to an in existence. Okay, so here the homophones are the major factor which created the poems. Okay, this is one type of figure of speech of the English language. So here is the exercise which are given in this homophones. This is very small concept of grammar, homophones. Okay, generally it is used in the poem to beautify the meaning of poem, rhyming words. Okay, so these homophones we used in a poem as a rhyming words. Here are some words that you have to find out the rhyming words. Okay, homophones, and complete this exercise into your homework. Okay, so you have to complete this homework and send me a photograph of homophones. Okay, so this is the very small lesson. Okay, very small lesson of this grammatical part. You have to complete. So students, the Grammarly, I have already given you the syllabus of this English text and the paper pattern of the grammar. You have to, if you have any doubt about the paper pattern or syllabus, please call me. You are always welcome. So I again send you the paper pattern of the 7th standard of English and grammar. Okay, just revise your studies material which you write in homeworks. just read the lesson and identify the meaning of hard words, by heart it, learn it, okay, and you will find it very easy to write the papers, okay, if you study neatly, okay. So students, here we completed this lesson of homophones. It is very simple lesson. You have homework of identify the different other than this rhyming words in your textual patterns or poetical patterns, okay. In the poems you have to write down the rhyming words and or homophones words like this, at least 20 homophone words, okay. So here I write at least 20 homophones. You have to write homophones word, okay. You have to write down at least 20 homophone words into your homework with completing this exercise, okay, with the completion of this exercise after, okay. So here we stop, okay. Thank you for this lesson, okay. Okay, the next lesson is the phrases, okay. It is one of the grammar lesson 17th, okay, phrases. Here we have a definition of a phrase. A phrase is a group of a word which conveys some meaning but does not make a complete sense of meaning by itself. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense, and a phrase is always be a part of the sentence. So here the phrase is a part of sentence. Here the phrase is a part of sentence. It gives some kind of idea about the sentence, the meaning of the sentence, but did not convey the complete message of the sentence, okay. So to make a complete sense of meaning, we have to understand the sentence, okay. In the sentence, the phrases are the part of that sentence. It gives us some kind of information about the sentence or the meaning of the sentence, but it does not give a complete meaning of the sentence. So here are some examples. Okay. The first example is, the fox looked hungrily at the bunch of grapes. So here in this sentence, the bunch of grapes gives some kind of meaning, that there is a bunch of grapes, but it does not give us information about the fox or the hungerness of the fox. When we read the complete word, after that only we get the complete meaning of the sentence. So the bunch of grapes is a phrase which is used in this sentence, okay. Just like that, look at the second sentence. The businessman was a person of great wealth. Gives us the meaning of the wealthiness, but it does not give us a meaning of the sentence, okay. When we read the complete sentence, we can easily identify the phrase in the sentence. Of great wealth is a phrase in this which is used in the sentence. So here we identified that the phrase is a part of the sentence. Third one is, my mother asked me to draw the curtain. To draw the curtain is a phrase. It gives some meaning, not the complete meaning of the sentence, okay. And the last one is, the snob walked off without any care. Without any care is a phrase which is used. The underlined group of word is a phrase which is used in the sentence, okay. So here are some examples of the phrases. I will send you the photograph of the exercise. You have to complete the exercise which I will send you on your group, okay. So these are some phrases in which you have to write down here answer of the particular punctuation, appropriate punctuation which we uses with the phrases. Okay, so here we will now stop. So these two lessons, that the homophones and the phrases, are very small concept in the grammar which are used in the poetic form or the sentence or textual form. Okay, you have to write down the exercise. Okay, so students, you now we will stop here.